Are you struggling to find a suitable product that does not break you out? Are you dreaming of having healthy and dewy looking skin? Or are you just afraid of trying new skincare products because your sensitive skin is in the way? Well, whether the above applies to you or you are just a skincare junkie, welcome! You are in the right place. Let me take you on a journey to discover personalization. Why waste your precious time struggling to find the perfect product? I know you have better things to do. First off, let me give you 4 simple reasons on why personalization is so important. The first reason, your skin goes beyond the 5 skin types. Your skin goes beyond just the 5 basic categories of oily or dry, normal or sensitive, or a bit of both in combination skin. Your skin concern also plays a key role in choosing your skincare, which is why you should always take into consideration both your skin type and skin concern when selecting your skincare. Did you know that if you have sensitive skin with a bit of pigmentation versus someone who does not have sensitive skin but has the same pigmentation concern, both of your skincare routines will be drastically different even though you share the same pigmentation concern? Because some actives like vitamin C, which targets pigmentation, may harm your sensitive skin or will not be as effective when applied wrongly. This means when you cleanse your skin with something like a glycolic acid cleanser, which is usually at a pH of 2.5 to 3.5, it will lower the pH of your skin and help promote absorption of pure vitamin C. However, this low pH may be irritating to some skin types such as sensitive skin. Not everyone will develop the same skin concerns even if they have the similar lifestyles. This is where good genes comes to play visibly. For example, for some of us can bask in the sun and not develop much dark spots afterwards. Some prefers to be total vampires and isolate indoors as much as they can. Well, not everyone responds the same when the sun is out, isn't it? The third reason, some people have a stronger barrier while some have a weaker barrier. Again, this relates back to my first 2 points. Even if you were born with a strong skin barrier, a wrong routine can easily weaken your barrier, causing it to be more dehydrated and sensitive. Without a good skin barrier, an active ingredient's efficacy is also questionable. That is why at Snowperk, we highly focus on treating the skin type and strengthening the skin barrier before diving straight into your skin concerns. The reason number 4, your current routine might not be effective. The last reason, and a very common one, because I know all you adventurers out there binge buying every product that looks attractive and sounds promising to you. You thought that product would be my holy grail, but then nope, it ends up disappointing you. The question I would like to ask you is, are you layering your products well? Are you using too many products at one go? Certain active ingredients might deactivate one another when combined, but how do you know which one? Trial and error is one thing, but here at Snowperk, we ensure that your personalized concoctions work well together, no matter the combination. At Snowperk, we personalize your skincare routine based on your skin ID. Adapted from Dr. Bauman, a renowned dermatologist based in the US, our skin type is determined based on 4 barriers to healthy skin. Sounds interesting, right? So, what are the 4 barriers that might be stopping you from achieving your dream skin? Let me introduce you to the first barrier, dehydration. It is a very common issue that can mess up your entire skin, bring about dullness and that temporary tight feeling, which can be uncomfortable for some. Dehydration is simply put a result of poor water retention. All dry skin types have it, as they naturally lack of water to begin with. But note that it can also be present in some oily skin types. On the good side, the issue is only temporary and will dissolve with the right skincare routine. For those of you with oily skin, don't hate on it just yet. It might be messing up your makeup and causing you to look shiny most of the time. But do you know it will be beneficial to you in aging? Your natural sebum contains vitamin E, which can offer you some sort of sun protection, but it does not mean you can skip on the sunscreen. When compared to your friends with a drier skin type, the sufficient sebum levels will make your skin look plumper and more youthful, as that means lesser appearances of fine lines. So, surprisingly, oily skin is not a barrier. Inflammation, which is the root cause of all sensitive skin types. Acne, rosacea, burning and stinging, contact dermatitis, Intrinsically dry skin are also typically classified as sensitive skin types because their impaired skin barrier can allow harmful bacteria or stronger ingredients to penetrate the skin surface easily and cause irritation and hence sensitivity. Normally, a healthy skin barrier keeps allergens, irritants, and bacteria from being able to penetrate into your skin. But when the skin barrier is impaired, it is unable to hold onto water and transepidermal water loss occurs. Additionally, pathogens can easily enter your skin, often leading to skin inflammatory problems. Eczema is one of the most common skin concerns related to an improper skin barrier function. Inactive fibroblasts, or simply put, wrinkles, are mainly caused by aging and then accelerated by environmental factors and lifestyle habits, such as constant exposure to the sun, pollution, smoking, huge hatred for fruits and vegetables. The last barrier, pigmentation, which occurs in those with overactive melanocytes, which means your skin is producing more pigments than it should. Melanin are produced to act as our natural sunscreen to protect against the harmful UV rays. But excessive sun exposure can lead to hyperpigmentation. Some of you may have noticed more brown spots appearing post-pregnancy, and that's because the hormone changes can also cause pigmentation. Determining where you fall in each of the 4 categories serves as the foundation for your skin type. Your skin type is more than the sum of the 4 different factors. Their interplay and expression are unique for each skin type. After referring to Dr. Leslie Bauman's skin typing system and refining our questionnaire based on Real Testers Skin ID and Products trial, our SNOPER ID captures each skin type's unique qualities and shows you how to work with your skin type's strengths and weaknesses. Once you understand your true skin type, it all gets a lot easier. We will tailor-make the right skincare regimens with helpful ingredients for your skin and prescribe a subscription program to give you a long-term sustainable skin improvement. The 48 skin types are the keys to a complete diagnostic and treatment program that covers every significant skin factor, and that really works. Here is a general guideline on what our 3-month routine consists of. The first month addresses your skin type and a general skin concern. The second month addresses your immediate skin concerns. And then the third month focuses on the maintenance of the treated skin and the prevention of early aging. The steps may vary a little for different skin types depending on if you have multiple concerns or not. Let me show you an example by taking one skin type, let's say SDSNW, which stands for slightly dry, sensitive, non-pigmented and wrinkled. As skin type is part of the dry skin type group, we would allocate our revitalizing moisturizer cream. Containing purified sugar beetroot extract, our revitalizing moisturizer cream is specially developed for dry skin types and will be your go-to moisturizer in every step. We believe in 3 steps for the ultimate skin health. This means, for the first month, you should focus on strengthening your dry skin type and alleviate your sensitivity with skin soothing and hydrating booster, and prevents pollution-induced dehydration with skin protection booster. The second month targets the wrinkled skin concern with skin firming booster. It contains a first ever active ingredient to target infrared-induced aging, containing knotgrass extract, which is super rich in flavonoids. It fights the first signs of photoaging caused by the harmful IR rays. And you might be thinking, what about UV? In fact, IR rays have been found to be even more harmful than UV rays. Knotgrass extract is clinically proven to decrease the appearance of wrinkles and improve the elasticity and firmness of your skin. You can see from the chart that in a clinical evaluation of 20 women, knotgrass extract improves the skin firmness to almost 12% as compared to not using anything at all. Fun fact, knotgrass extract is commonly used in phytotherapy and Chinese medicine for lowering blood pressure, anti-rheumatic, and treating intestinal discomfort. That's quite the powerful active. Super Hydrating Booster supplements the routine, which contains a ferment filtrate to induce hyaluronic acid production in skin and a prebiotic to hydrate skin naturally, plumping up the epidermis to reduce appearance of fine lines. The third month focuses on the maintenance of the treated skin and prevention of early aging. Skin Brightening Booster accelerates the skin renewal for a smoother skin, and Skin Glowy and Hydrating Booster that features rosellity, an ancient rose extract from the famous Damask rose of Turkey. Only blooming once a year in the summer, these roses are handpicked by local farmers using long-established traditional methods. It is such a unique active, as it is the first time that all the scented molecules from the damask rose is imbued into the active, making it refreshingly pure and precious. In fact, out of 100 kg of petals, we can only get 1 kg of rosality. Furthermore, clinical studies on Asian women show that rosality is able to protect fatigue-stressed cells from oxidation, preventing free radical formation, which can contribute to aging, reducing the appearance of dark circles by 46%, reducing the size of dark spots by 29%, and improving the skin homogeneity or skin evenness for a more even skin tone by almost 14%. As you can see, each recommended step consists of complementary pairs which work synergistically together, delivering the treatment, prevention and maintenance part that is relevant to the skin type and concern. So, are you excited to learn more about your true skin? Discover the right routine with us with these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Take our easy and comprehensive Snowperk ID quiz. It's just 3 minutes. Step 2. Uncover your skin type based on your unique Snowperk ID. You will get your personalized skincare prescription, 1 moisturizer and 2 boosters. Sounds easy, right? Step 3. Use the products, no skipping out. Start with our curated selection of boosters that are personalized to your skin type. Each of our boosters are developed with concentrated active that are released fresh with every single drop. We have selected only the best ingredients that are clinically proven to demonstrate results, so you can be confident it will work on your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer that is catered to your skin type. Whether oily or dry, we got you. Our moisturizers are clinically proven to develop 24 hours hydration. Up your game with our super concentrates, which in fact contains no added water and is extremely concentrated, and you must never apply directly to your skin. Instead, get the personalized experience. Mix the super concentrates with the moisturizer to release the freshest drop and then apply onto your skin. Altogether, for it to work its magics fast. And the last step, see your skin glow naturally in just 2 weeks. As simple as that. Have I managed to convince you yet? Let the results show you. In just 2 weeks, skin is much more radiant and mattified. Notice how the texture looks more refined now? Let the picture speak for itself. It is so easy to refresh your glow with us. Skin is so much brighter, and we also deliver instant results. After just 1 day, skin itch and redness are dissolved. We are just as impressed as the customer is. We are very confident that our personalized routine to you will definitely show results. Why? Because we only select the finest ingredients that are proven to have a fast, positive result on consumers and are suitable even for sensitive skin. Want to hear a bonus? All our formulas are more than 95% naturally derived. We are proud to have our Balancing Moisturizer Gel Cream to be featured on Daily Vanity as one of the best moisturizers to get in 2020. Do check it out. So many of our consumers have tried their personalized routine and have seen results within just 2 weeks. We will guarantee you will see it too. Transform to your dream skin with us today. Here is our link to the Snowperk ID quiz. Or you can find it at our website at www.snowperk.com. If you're afraid of committing to a full set, don't worry. We have a starter set option that retails at only $40. We are confident it will make a difference to your skin. But if in any rare case you are unsatisfied after 14 days, come to us and we will offer you your money back. I hope you have learned something new today and are convinced that personalization is good for you. We have come to the end of this video. Do follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to receive some tips and tricks on how to work your skincare to its fullest. See you soon and goodbye!